Welcome to the Invensys Controls training video on the Ranco Electronic Temperature Control, also known as the ETC. I'll be walking you through some of the features and benefits of the ETC. Invensys Controls is the expert in control for cold and hot applications, especially those applications where accuracy matters. The ETC is easy to install and easy to program. In most heating and cooling applications, there is typically a temperature range that the system should operate within. If not, expensive equipment or inventory may be damaged. You can help protect your customers' equipment investments by installing an electronic temperature control today. What is an ETC? An ETC is a microprocessor-based commercial temperature control used to monitor hot and cold applications. It has an impressively large temperature range, spanning from -30 degrees to +220 degrees Fahrenheit, and can be used in numerous applications. This ETC is a digital control with keypad input and liquid crystal display enclosed in a plastic housing. A thermistor-based probe is used to monitor the application temperature. A microcontroller controls the logic to turn output relays on and off based on the desired temperature as entered by the user. Features include the following. 1. Factory selectable single-stage or dual-stage control available with both normally open and normally closed outputs. 2. Factory selectable 120 or 240 volts AC at 50 or 60 Hz. 24-volt models are also available. 3. Temperature differential from 1 to 30 degrees Fahrenheit as set by the user. 4. Each model controls temperature ranges from -30 to +220 degrees Fahrenheit. And 5. Microcontroller diagnostics, including failed probe detection. For more information on the Ranco ETC, reference the website www.invensyscontrols.com. Where is the ETC used? The ETC is primarily used in commercial heating, cooling, air conditioning, agricultural, and commercial refrigeration applications. What does an electronic temperature control do? There are two models for controlling machines: the single-stage model and the dual-stage model. The difference is that the single-stage has one single-pole double-throw switch to control. The dual-stage control has two single-pole double-throw switches to control two circuits. These switches, also known as relays, can turn on or off a wide variety of machines, depending on the maximum current ratings. Why is the ETC important for your customers? Ease of use and accuracy. Some controllers have complicated programming and require jumpers. Not so with the Ranco ETC. Quality and innovative technology distinguish Invensys Controls from the other manufacturers. How to install your ETC. There are three major components to review: physical installation, electrical connections, and simple programming to set your electronic temperature control. Let's review the installation steps now. Physical installation is designed to be a quick process. 1. Start by mounting the unit to a flat, clean surface using a combination of any two or more of the slotted holes located on the back of the control case. 2. The control components are not position sensitive, but should be mounted where they can be easily wired and adjusted. 3. Avoid excess conditions such as moisture, dirt, and corrosive atmospheres. 4. The ETC has two provisions for half-inch diameter holes on the back or the bottom, depending on installation preference. 5. The conduit hub should be secured prior to securing the plastic housing of the control. 6. Next, mount the sensor. 7. The sensor should be mounted where it will not be affected by heating or cooling discharge or radiated heat sources. For spot sensing, The sensor should be in good contact with the surface being sensed. Now that the unit is mounted, you are ready to do the electrical work. 1. Turn off all power to avoid personal or equipment damage. 2. The line voltage common should be connected to the COM contact and to the load. The line voltage line should be connected to the C contact and the appropriate input voltage contact. 3. The load should then be wired into either the normally open or normally closed contact, depending on application. 4. When the cooling mode is selected, the differential is above the set point. The relay will de-energize as the temperature falls to the set point. 5. When the heating mode is chosen, the differential is below the set point, and the relay will de-energize as the temperature rises to the set point. Next, you are ready to program the unit. The ETC can be programmed in 4 simple steps using the 3 keys on the face of the control. 1. Press the set key once. Select F for Fahrenheit or C for Celsius using the up and down arrows. 2. The LCD display will show set point S1. Use the arrows to select set point. 3. The LCD display will show differential D1. Use the arrows to select the differential. And finally 4. Select either C1 for cooling mode or H1 for heating mode. Press set one final time to save and initiate the program. Now you are done! To recap, the top 3 reasons to buy a Ranco Electronic Temperature Control are 1. Application flexibility. 2. Upgrade to newer technology from mechanical to electronic controls. And 3. Expanded features such as a wide temperature range, wide differential adjustment, multiple stages, and multi-voltage inputs. The Ranco ETC has wide temperature and differential ranges. It is easy to install and program with the ability to use in both heating and cooling applications. Just a few more reasons why Ranco has been a trusted source in the commercial refrigeration industry for over 50 years. The Ranco Electronic Temperature Control is just another example of innovation that you can expect from Invensys Controls, a product with uncompromising quality and technology innovation.